Through the centuries in olden time, there lived the Sons of Hercules, heroes supreme. They roamed the earth, righting wrong, helping the weak and oppressed, and seeking adventure. They were the mightiest of mortal men. One of them was Antar. It is of his deeds we tell now, and of his struggle with the devil of the desert.
Antar!
Sons of Hercules, they are there when the need arrives. There to show that might and right still survive, on land or on the sea. As long as there is need, there'll be Sons of Hercules.